Once upon a time, in a beautiful garden, there was a sunflower named Sunny. Sunny was the happiest sunflower in the garden. Every morning, she would greet the sun with a big smile on her face, spreading joy to all the other flowers around her. Sunny loved to dance in the gentle breeze and sing songs to the butterflies that fluttered by. She would always say,
"Good morning, little friends. Let's make today a bright and happy day." One day, a little girl named Lily visited the garden. Lily had been feeling sad and lonely, but when she saw Sunny shining brightly, she couldn't help but smile. Sunny noticed Lily's sadness and said, "Hello, dear friend. Don't be sad. Remember, even on cloudy days, the sun is always shining behind the clouds. Just like how I stand tall and bright, you can find your inner light too." Lily was amazed by Sunny's wise words. She realized that just like the sunflower, she could spread happiness and positivity wherever she went. From that day on, Lily visited Sunny every day, and together they brought joy to the entire garden. Sunny taught Lily and all the other children who visited the garden that no matter how dark the days may seem, there is always a reason to smile. She showed them that by staying positive and spreading kindness, they could make the world a brighter place. And so, Sunny the sunflower became known as the happiest flower in the garden, always reminding everyone to look on the bright side of life.